So, how to make a video go viral on TikTok, and mainly how to do it consistently, because anybody can go viral, multiple times and it does nothing for their page. We want to do this consistently over and over again. As a side note, before we get into this, stick around to the end because tip 7 is a golden nugget. You don't want to miss it. You won't regret it if you stay till the end. If you're new to this channel, I'm Dose Joseph, and I focus on helping people grow their social medias and grow in other aspects of their lives as well. I have a tips for TikTok playlist for anybody that's looking to grow their TikTok and take it to another level. Definitely check that out, because as of right now, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all these other platforms are not doing well for virality. You can't go viral and blow up like you can on TikTok. So you have to take advantage of this train. Just like Vine. Vine was in for a little bit and then it went away. And now TikTok is the new Vine. Blow up on TikTok and take your followers and transfer them to other social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and especially YouTube. By the way, this is my girlfriend's bed. I don't know if you know, but right now coronavirus is crazy in New York City, so I'm just staying here and quarantining here. So we're gonna jump right into it. So tip number 1 on how to make a video go viral on TikTok. You wanna post at least 10 videos a day. Anywhere from 10 to 20 videos. I usually post anywhere from 20 to 30 because it gives you a bigger chance to go viral on TikTok. It literally takes 5 minutes to 15 minutes to come up with a good idea for TikTok videos. And if you sit down for 30 minutes and just come up with a bunch of videos, you can create tons of content within the first hour of your day. Even if you only make 3 videos, you can repost those videos each 5 times, and that'll come out to 15 videos on your TikTok. TikTok doesn't care if you post the same video over and over again. In fact, they reward you, because think about it. If you post the same video 5 times, a lot of the time, one of those videos, if it's a good video, will get lots of views. I've had times where I've posted 3 to 5 of the same exact video, and one gets over 5K, 10K, 20K, and the other videos just get less than 1,000 views for some reason. I don't know exactly how the TikTok algorithm works, but I know that they reward consistency. And a lot of people say that virality is luck, but yeah, only part of it is luck, because if you're doing something more, you're increasing your chances of getting lucky. Think about it. If you want to be on a show, right? You're not gonna go to 1 open call per year. You're gonna go to as many open calls as you can to increase your chances of ending up on a show, obviously. So same thing goes for TikTok. Just post as much as you can. Another side note, guys, if you drop your TikTok below, I'll follow you and I'll also give you advice on your page. Tip number 2, duet famous people and duet trending videos. TikTok will recognize that you're following the trends and reward you for it. They'll also see that you're associating with popular people and they'll boost your videos for that. Tip number 3, every single day there's new trending hashtags. If you can make videos that are relevant to those hashtags, it'll increase your chances of going viral. Even if you can make a duet with someone who made a good video on the trending hashtags. Leverage these new trending hashtags that are popping up every single day, and you're bound to get a video to hit over 10K views, 100K views, and get you tons of followers. Also use hashtags like FYP or hashtag For You page, because for me personally, I've seen it increases my chances of ending up on the For You page, which is where tons of videos, even from accounts that barely have any followers, go viral. Tip number 4, post during the hours that people are the most active. For me, I've seen personally this is anywhere from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Now, I'm not telling you to post any hour outside of those hours. You could still post outside of those hours, but just post a lot more during those hours. I've noticed that during these times, my videos tend to end up on the For You page a lot more. Tip number 5, if you've made it this far in this video, it seems like you like what you're hearing, so definitely hit the like button. If you're really looking to take your TikTok seriously or any other social media platform, hit the subscribe button, because I'm constantly posting videos like this to help you and your social media. You won't regret it. Tip number 6, try to use good lighting. Stop posting videos in very dim lit rooms. Find good lighting, because if it comes out grainy, no one's gonna wanna see that. They're gonna scroll right by that. Every once in a while, if I'm still in bed and I see a good video that I want to duet with, I'll do the duet in bed and I'll still get a good amount of views, but I know for a fact that if I posted it with good lighting in a better scenario, I would have gotten more views. This is why you see all the popular TikTokers dancing in their bathroom and taking videos in their bathroom. It's not because they have more moving space than their living room, and it's not because they're inspired after they take a It's because the lighting is really good in bathrooms. So tip number 7, this is the golden nugget. What you want to do is duet with life hacks, strategies, and tips. When you duet with educational videos, you don't really have to do much in your video besides react. And even though it's not your video, this video can still go viral. This strategy has gotten me over 118,000 views on one video alone. This one. over 900 hours of watch time, and over 20,000 likes. And you can replicate this same exact strategy and be able to go viral on your page. Sometimes what I do is if I see some sort of life hack and I think it's gonna be interesting, I'll hit the duet button before I even watch the video and just record my genuine reaction to that video. Try this out. I promise you, you'll thank me later. So that's all the tips I've got for this video. If you like what you heard, definitely drop a like below. It definitely helps me out. Also keep in mind, every day to every other day, I'll be posting videos, whether it's for TikTok or other social media platforms. And also go check out that TikTok playlist that I mentioned if you're serious about TikTok growth. Subscribe to my channel and watch my journey to 1 million followers on TikTok. And follow my TikTok below as well. Thanks for watching, guys.